Offering superb precision, Equinox is our most advanced line of balances. The Equinox series features semi-micro, analytical, and precision models with capacities up to 8,200 grams. Balances provide readabilities of 0.01 milligram, 1 milligram, and 0.01 gram. Combining high capacity and analytical readability, Equinox models capacities of 410 and 510 grams have readability of 0.1 milligram. A color touchscreen display provides intuitive operation with icon-driven menus and readily accessible applications and functions. The 5-inch screen is generously sized, offering 800 by 480 pixel resolution for excellent visibility. Customize the display by choosing one of 5 color presets to change the appearance of the buttons. You can select black or white for the background of your display. 3 body types accommodate ingredients in varying capacities and objects of different sizes. We designed Equinox with a 3,000 item database so you can store and recall items, sample weights, and check weighing limits. Equinox features 9 built-in applications to simplify everyday lab work. Using the formulation and recipe function, recall a stored formulation from the database or manually add items and track the ingredients of each item. With the parts counting mode, achieve high levels of accuracy when tracking and recording inventory. Equinox guides you through the steps to perform counting tasks. Choose the sample size, enter a unit weight, or select parts from the database. The check weighing function helps verify that samples are within a set weight range. Simply set high and low limits or recall saved parameters from the database. Equinox provides an RS-232 interface, and a USB port accommodates a memory card to save results. You can print out calibration data for traceability. Printouts provided by the balance include date and time, essential for traceability and data tracking within good laboratory practice guidelines. Equinox balances with 3, 4, or 5-place settings are equipped with a glass draft shield. This boosts accuracy by eliminating drafts and reducing static electricity that could interfere with the balance. Your balance is an important investment. That's why the Equinox incorporates security features for added protection. Password control prevents unauthorized access to the balance, ensuring settings remain unchanged. Equinox contains a slot that accommodates an optional Kensington-type lock and cable to help prevent theft.